When choosing a hair restoration surgeon, it is important that you're cognizant of several things. First and foremost, you have to make sure that your hair restoration surgeon is trained and experienced specifically in hair transplants. Secondly, he should be able to offer you and perform all the different techniques of a hair transplant, be it a FUT or a FUE. You need to have an in-house surgical team that follows a strict set of protocols and that are continuously trained and monitored for the same. Also, you want to make sure that you have seen before and after pictures of patients that surgeon has performed, and even talk to the patients. Ask them how was their experience before the procedure, during the procedure, and after the procedure. Ask them how the follow-up was, how was the recovery like, and most importantly, how are the results. These are the things which are very critical and you should have the answers to before you choose your hair restoration surgeon.